Hi, I am Valeria, and I love physics. I have been here for almost a year now, so I know how things work here, and it really feels good. The campus of TU Darmstadt, I love it. Various buildings, nice and modern auditoriums, and the library, best place ever. Lots of books and inner peace. But now some facts. Nuclear physics and astrophysics, or high energy density in matter. Pick one and combine your mandatory anchor point with your favorite lecture courses from a wide range of special courses. Talking about special, did you know that TU Darmstadt cooperates with GSI? The GSI Helmholtz-Zentrum für Schwerionenforschung is building one of the largest and most complex accelerator facilities in the world. This gives you great options for your final project, or as we call it, master thesis. Personally, I'm a big fan of quantum field theory, but not all of my fellow students are.
Quantum field theory? Exciting, but no way. I'm more into experimental nuclear physics.
Laser and plasma physics, that's what I like.
But what we all like is the very good technical infrastructure. We can train our skills on the large-scale research infrastructure. Become familiar with some of the world's most highly developed scientific instruments. Explain phenomena, drive technological developments forward, learn languages, make international friends, hang out in the park nearby, understand what holds the world together at its core, and actively contribute to the future progress.